Lok Sala's Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren whether illegal constructions on paddy lands of Hengang constituency after 2014 will be removed or not. People fondly remember journalist Thangjam Duizamani alias Nanao on his 7th death anniversary. And Satla Maishna Meirabaluwang from Manipur wins men's singles Bangladesh Junior International Badminton Series 2019. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Laitang Monica with the latest news updates. Lausal President M. Churamani has asked Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren whether actions will be taken against encroachment of paddy lands starting from his constituency first. Lausal today inspected the illegal construction of structures on paddy lands of Imphal East, Imphal West and Bishnupur districts on Wolf Farmers' Day today. Speaking on the sidelines, Churamani stated that Lausal appreciated the recent State Cabinet's decision to evict encroachments on paddy lands under the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014, but inquired how it will be executed. He wanted to know whether the government will remove structures constructed at Kairang, Ahallub, Hengang, Laifam Kuno paddy fields in the Chief Minister's constituency, Hengang. M. Churamani appealed to the government to be sincere in executing the task. Churamani demanded the government to revoke the State Cabinet's decision taken on December 17 to allow new constructions of oil pumps, hospitals and shopping malls on paddy lands. He also urged the government to look into the mushrooming villages in the valley areas.
2014 गी ममांग दा सागत खिबदुना मदुगी रेगुलेट तौरकांदा मदुगी पिफम थोकपा मखोइगी तौफम थोकपा तौजखरखसु 2014 गी मतुंगदा ngasi फावबा लेपतना हौजे हौजे अखोइना लेपि मफम सिदैदा थोनकलैबा लैबा थोनकलैबा अदुगा योट खाजलिबा थारिबा युमसिंग अदुगा सारिबा थोंसिंग असे लैंगांगना अथुबा मतमदा थिंगननबा होनबियु तमदुदा सेमखिबा लोकल लेवल मॉनिटरिंग कमिटी की कंप्लेन डीसी दा एसडीओ दा तौबिरौ हाइदना लैंगा की मसक नाइबा एजुकेटिव की थाकता लैबा मसक नाइबा मी हाइबसे मसिंग ngasiगे अखोइना तौजरिबसिदी ओपन एप्लीकेशन नि ओपन कंप्लेन नि पुरिबसिंगसे थिंगबियु अदुगा हानगी लो उबयाबा लोफम वहनबियु हाइबा वाफमसे थमजे.
People remembered journalist Thangjam Duizamani alias Nanao on his 7th death anniversary today. It may be recalled that Nanao, a journalist, was shot dead by the police while covering an incident near a dairy farm at his birthplace in Thamiban Senam Lekai, Cherau Chingkhong on this day in 2012. Les Duizamani served as a correspondent of Prime News Channel and a stringer of DDK News Imphal during his lifetime. He was covering a protest which turned ugly when protesters set ablaze a truck and police opened fire in an attempt to disperse the agitators. He was shot on his chest during the scuffle and later succumbed to his injuries at Rims Hospital. Friends and families of Nanao, residents of Thamiban Senam Lekai, and many journalists paid floral tributes at his memorial in Thamiban, Cherau Chingtak. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on BJP's Abhinandan Jatra in Kolkata in support of the Citizenship Amendment Act. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. The BJP will organize an Abhinandan Jatra in Kolkata today in support of the Citizenship Amendment Act. The National Working President of the party, JP Nadda, will lead the Jatra, which will start from Subodh Malik Square in central Kolkata and will culminate at Shyam Bazaar in northern part of the city. The BJP has planned massive outreach programs in support of the new act. The Abhinandan Jatra is aimed at congratulating Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah for the new law. Ruling Trinamool Congress has also planned protest rally in Kolkata today opposing the Citizenship Act. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu today gave away prestigious 66th National Film Awards at a function in New Delhi. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, organized the ceremony. Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Prakash Javadekar, also graced the event. Gujarati movie Helaru bag the Best Feature Film Award. It may be mentioned that Ministry of Information and Broadcasting considered all the films produced in the country in 2018 and presented the awards in 4 categories, namely feature film, non-feature film, writing on cinema, and most film-friendly state. Now the sports news. India's Satla Mashna Mirabal Wang has won the men's singles Bangladesh Junior International Badminton Series 2019 in Dhaka. Top-seeded Miraba, who hails from Manipur, defeated Ken Yong-ong 21-14, 21-18 in the final lasting 38 minutes yesterday. Miraba had defeated another Malaysian, Fazrik Mohammad Razif, in the semi-finals. He was one of the 5 Indians in the men draw. Miraba had also clinched the boys singles under-19 title at the Wonchon Yonex Korea Junior Open International Challenge last month. In yesterday's league match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 played at Goa's Fatoda Stadium, Goa FC defeated Orissa FC 3-0. For the winners, Farhan Koronemas netted 2 goals in the 19th and 89th minute, and Brandon Fernandes netted 1 goal at the 85th minute. ATK will meet Bangalore FC in December 25. Quick look at the headlines once again. Losal asked Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen whether illegal constructions on paddy lands of Hengang constituency after 2014 will be removed or not. People fondly remember journalist Thangjam Dwizamani alias Nanao on his 7th death anniversary. And Shatla Maishnam Mairabalu Wang from Manipur wins men's singles Bangladesh Junior International Badminton Series 2019.